In this week's blog, I'm going to be talking about international student visas. There's something like 700,000 international students in Australia at this point in time, and it's never really been a target market of IMMagine's before. But a recent alliance between ourselves and a company known as Student Agency Australia has meant that those people contacting us, thinking of studying in Australia, can receive advice from a licensed education agent regarding the courses that are available. There are some advantages to studying in Australia on an international student visa, and they would be as follows. Firstly, you can commence living in Australia at a much earlier point in time than you might otherwise if you were thinking of trying to find an offer of employment in Australia or languishing in the pool because you've submitted an expression of interest and are waiting for an invitation to apply for a 189 independent visa or an invitation from a state government. These international student visas do provide limited work rights, so you can commence working in Australia at an earlier point in time. And for those people that complete qualifications in Australia, whether it be a degree or a vocational qualification, you could be eligible for post-study work rights. So you can commence working in Australia on a full-time basis. The employer that you're working for is then going to be far more likely to be able to sponsor you for a skills in demand visa or work visa. And these skills in demand visas do provide a pathway for you to then ultimately qualify for permanent residence under an employer nomination scheme, usually once you've worked for the employer for a period of 2 years. For those people in Australia thinking of general skilled migration visas, most state governments do have separate lists of occupations for those people that have completed qualifications in Australia. So if you're thinking of international study and you want to find out what your options are, complete our questionnaire, and on the questionnaire, indicate in the comment section that you're thinking of studying in Australia as an international student. I hope you enjoy the read.